Good morning, students.
You all have learned about basic of trigonometry, trigonometrical ratios, some identities, then values of 0 degree, values of 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. After this, how to change value of different trigonometrical functions or ratios in different quadrants. So here take a quadrant system x dash x, y and y dash. Suppose this is origin. First of all, draw a circle of unit radius. So here circle of unit radius. This point A, suppose this is B, C and D. Radius of circle means OA is 1. So this coordinate of this point 1 0, coordinate of this point 0 1, coordinate of this point C means minus 1 0, coordinate of this point 0 minus 1. Let us take a point P whose coordinate is AB. So join OP. Suppose this angle is theta. This angle is theta. Draw a perpendicular from P. Suppose this perpendicular is M. So it is clear from coordinate system ON is equal to A and PN equal to D, and OP is equal to, OP means radius of circle, 1 unit. So from basic definition of sine, in triangle P and O, in this triangle P and O, here is right angle. So in this triangle sine theta is equal to, sine theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular means PN. So PN upon hypotenuse means OP. PN means B. B by 1 equal to B. So sin theta is equal to B. Similarly, cos theta is equal to B upon H, means base upon hypotenuse. Base means base, ON means A divided by H, hypotenuse OP means 1 equal to A. So cos theta is equal to A. Now tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta means B by A. So tan theta is equal to B by A. It is clear from this definition, when cos theta is equal to 0 means A equal to 0, tan theta is not defined. So when cos theta is equal to 0, tan theta is not defined. It means in case of tan theta defined, cos theta is not equal to 0. So theta is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2, means odd multiple of pi by 2. Odd multiple of pi by 2 means cos pi by 2 0, cos 3 pi by 2 0, cos 5 pi by 2 0. Means cos theta, in this case cos theta is equal to 0. Cos theta is equal to 0 means tan theta not defined. After this, no, cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. So cot theta is equal to cos theta means A by B. Here, when sin theta is equal to 0, sin theta is equal to 0, then cos theta is not defined. Means, so theta is not equal to n pi. In case of theta is not equal to n pi, cot theta defined. Now sec theta 1 upon cos theta. So sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta means A. Here, when cos theta is equal to 0, sec theta is not defined. Means cos theta is not equal to 0, means theta is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2. Means when theta is not equal to odd multiple of pi by 2, then sec theta is defined. Now cosec theta 1 upon sin theta. So cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. Sin theta means B. So when sin theta is equal to 0, when sin theta is equal to 0, then cosec theta not defined. Means for cosec theta is defined, sin theta is not equal to 0, means theta is not equal to n pi, means multiple of pi. In first quadrant, A positive, B positive. A positive, B positive means sin positive, cos positive. A B positive means tan positive, cot positive, sec positive, cosec positive. Means all trigonometrical ratios are positive. Means sin positive, cos positive, and tan positive. It means they are reciprocal, also positive. This region is less than it is initial line. So this rotation, total rotation is 90 degree. 90 degree are pi by 2, and this line represent 180 degree are pi radian, and this 3 pi by 2 radian are 270 degree, and after one complete rotation 360 degree are 2 pi radian. It means in first quadrant all trigonometrical ratios are positive. When OP rotate through anti-clockwise and lie in second quadrant, then coordinate of point P, A negative and B positive. So when A negative means cos negative, A negative means tan negative, A negative means cot negative, A negative means sec negative. It means in second quadrant sin theta and its reciprocal cosec theta positive. Other trigonometrical ratios are negative. It means in second quadrant sin and cosec positive, and other trigonometrical ratios are negative. When point OP rotates and lie in third quadrant, means when point P lie in third quadrant, A negative and B negative, means A negative and B negative, both negative. So in case of A negative, B negative, sin negative, cos negative, tan negative by negative, positive, negative by negative, positive means tan positive, cot positive, A negative, sec negative, B negative, cosec negative. So in third quadrant, tan positive and its reciprocal cot positive. Other trigonometrical ratio are negative. In fourth quadrant, when point B lie in fourth quadrant, here point B lie in fourth quadrant. In this case, A positive and B negative. In case of A positive means cos positive, sec positive. B negative means sin negative, tan negative, cot negative, and cosec negative. So in case of P lie in fourth quadrant, theta is positive and sec theta is positive. Other trigonometrical ratios are negative. Sin, cos, and tan are positive. Means they are reciprocal also positive. In second quadrant, sin positive and here its reciprocal cosec positive. In third quadrant, tan positive and cot positive. In fourth quadrant, cos positive and sec positive. Okay, other trigonometrical ratios are negative. So this region, any angle lie in this region in first quadrant, 90 minus theta times or pi by 2 minus theta. In second quadrant, all angles are pi by 2 plus theta times or 90 plus theta times, both are same, or 180 minus theta, 180 minus theta type or pi minus theta type. In third quadrant, in case of third quadrant, this any angle line in third quadrant, so 180 plus theta types or pi plus theta types. Any angles can be written as 270 minus theta types or 3 pi by 2 minus theta types. In fourth quadrant, any angle in fourth quadrant we can write 270 degree plus theta or 3 pi by 2 plus theta times. In fourth quadrant, any angle can be written as in form of pi 2 pi minus theta type or 360 minus theta type. After one complete rotation, any angle after one complete rotation, next angle lying in first quadrant. So this region is called 360 into n times, where n is number of rotation plus theta time, or 2 pi into n plus theta time. When rotation takes place through clockwise, so angle is negative. Angle is negative. So in case of clockwise rotation, angle is negative. Means angle is equal to minus theta. Means this angle is minus theta. In case of 90 plus minus theta or pi by 2 plus minus theta and 270 plus minus theta or 3 pi by 2 plus minus theta. In this case, in case of 90 plus minus theta or 270 plus minus theta, trigonometrical ratios change. Sin, cos, tan, cot, sec and cosec. Sin change into cos, cos change into sin, cot change into tan, tan change into cot, sec change into cosec and cosec change into sec. In other case, no any change. Now, when we write sine 90 plus theta, it means sine 90 plus theta lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant, sine positive. And what happened? Trigonometrical ratio change, sine change into cos. So here is cos theta. When we write sec 270 plus theta, sec 270 plus theta, sec 270 plus theta means in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, this angle lies in fourth quadrant. So in fourth quadrant, sec positive. Here is 270. In case of 270, sec change into cosec. So here is cosec theta. E plus theta. Tan 180 plus theta. This angle lie in third quadrant. In third quadrant, tan positive. No any change in trigonometrical ratio. So tan means tan theta. Sine 2 pi plus theta. Sine 2 pi plus theta. Sine 2 pi plus theta means after one complete rotation, then plus theta means in first quadrant. Means this angle lies in first quadrant. In case of first quadrant, all angles are positive. All trigonometrical ratios are positive. So positive. Here is no any change in trigonometrical function, means sine theta. In case of rotation through anti-clockwise, for example, sine minus theta. So sine minus theta, clockwise rotation, angle lie in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, you know cos positive and sec positive. Here is sine. So sine negative, and so sine theta. Cos minus theta is equal to cos minus theta means rotation through clockwise. In case of clockwise rotation, angle lie in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, cos positive. So positive and cos theta.